How to log into Shein on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into the Shein app on iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to basically log into the Shein application on your iPad, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch a Shein application that you can find here. And once you launch a Shein app, you should be able to see this type of interface here. Now you can go ahead and make sure to enter the location, language, currency and whatever else, and then just tap the go shopping option over here. And then from here onwards, what you basically want to do from here is you can just tap the me icon from the bottom right of the screen. Now from here at the very top left, you'll find the option called sign in or register. So you can tap the sign in or register option here, and then make sure to enter your mobile number or email, and then tap the continue option to log in. Now if your account is linked with Google, Facebook or your Apple ID, you can go ahead and then select that option as well. This way you'll be able to log into the Shein app on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.